So I've been thinking about what I might do next for YouTube videos, tutorial videos, and some of you know that I just finished my album, so I decided to make a bunch of videos, maybe explaining that process a little bit, because it's been a huge learning curve for me, like end to end building and putting songs together and mixing and mastering and building a team and marketing and distribution and all that kind of stuff. And um, I'm learning as I go. And I think that this series of videos will just benefit anyone who's about to do their own thing independently. Hopefully you can learn some tips or learn from my experiences, and that's the point of these videos. So if you're interested, please click on subscribe, like the video, check it out, check out the series anyway. If you're interested in hearing the album I just put out, it's called 1809. I'll put a link in the comments. And yeah, please ask as many questions as you like. I will try and address as many as they come along, and hopefully try and get some videos out regularly, at least once a week. Yeah, and maybe you guys will learn something, and you and I can share some experiences, and I can maybe help you move forward your project. Cool. Well, I'll see you soon.